Okay, so y'all, I am so tired. That being said, it's probably gonna be a shorter one today. We need to go run some errands. Need to pick up some paint samples, grocery shop. Oh, and just stuff here at the house. That's what it was. That's what it was. No, not those. What happened to my other sunglasses? Are they in here? Oh, thank God. Okay. Whew. Thought I lost a pair of my 20 sunglasses. And this is the backup to another pair too. Because I liked them so much. I was like, they're gonna snap. I need a backup.
Can I get started for you?
Thank you, man. You too. Okay, I'm gonna need at least half of this before I go into Lowe's. Trying to assess why is Vlogmas so difficult for me this year. I don't feel like it was this hard last year. I don't feel like I was this tired. I don't feel like it took this long to edit. So I was trying to assess what was different. I think one, I was still filming on my phone last year. So I was still filming on my iPhone and getting all the videos that way. And I was also editing on my iPhone. So I was being way more selective about what I was filming. I couldn't film everything because every now and then I'd need to have my phone on me, take a phone call, look up something, whatever. So I was being very selective about what I filmed, which made the editing process easier. Now with the camera, which I very much have enjoyed having because I love not having to do all that on my phone. But with the camera, sometimes I'm just letting it roll to just capture what's going on in the moment. And so I have a lot more footage to go through and it's taking longer to edit. So there's one. Two, Michael is very distracting. He's so distracting. We're still within our first year of living together and there ain't a dull moment. I mean, this man's finding bats in his pockets. I'm supposed to just put blinders on and ignore that? He's witty, he's smart, he's funny. None of what he says in these videos are scripted, ever. That's all off the cuff. Now imagine being around that 24/7 and then trying to get some work done. You can't. You can't. Mike has been incredibly supportive throughout this whole process. For your partner to approach you and say, hey, I want to do this thing. I'm going to have no free time. I'm not going to be able to do anything else but film and edit. And it's all going to be about me. Who would want to sign up for that? So the fact that he's even stuck around for this long and put up with it is pretty impressive. He's really picked up a lot of my slack when it comes to the housework, cooking, entertaining the dogs. It's been really helpful. And he deserves one epic of a date night when all this is said and done. Enough talking. We need to go in Lowe's and get some stuff done. Why am I at Lowe's on this particular day? I actually need to find a paint color for two pieces that my aunt has that I need to repaint for her. And this is more of a teal, but we're looking for indigo. And I need to shop a few different colors because I'm not sure which one I want yet. And that's why we're here. And that's why I brought this drawer, so I don't get the same color twice. Here's a better look at the drawer. Now, in person, it's got more of a teal color to it, and we really need indigo. Some indigo, here, let me show you, give you an example of what indigo looks like on the phone. So somewhere in this palette, it's kind of more of what we're looking for along those lines. All of this has to be pre-approved by my aunt, obviously, but we're just gonna get some different options. Somewhere in there, it's more of like a periwinkle, but that denim color, actually she specifically used denim as a color term. So let me bring these over here. Probably none of those. Maybe up here? Oh, right there. Let's, dyed indigo. That might be exactly what we're looking for. Wow, look how subtle those differences are between the shades. It might be too dark. That is pretty close to this, so probably not that. That's probably too green. Yeah. Nah, neither of these. Neither of these. So here are the top options. I think we can eliminate this one I think we could probably eliminate this one as well. So I sent those options to my aunt. We'll see if she has any strong opinions. Let's go check out the tile. At the moment, I'm not tiling anything, but eventually I would like to put some backsplash tile in the kitchen. I haven't seen any options at Lowe's here locally or Home Depot that I like. I really wanted this tile, but it's very expensive and I would have to probably order it. So I've just been checking out the tile aisles here every month or two just to see if they have anything new that I like more. The closest that I could see myself wanting is V3 up there, and the one right below it, V1. Those are probably the two best options that are here right now. Let me just double check. There's a few here that could work, but it's not exactly right, you know? I'll check back in a month.
Some grocery shopping.
You had candy?
Yeah, just get in my vehicle real quick.
Oh, okay.
I'll show it to you.
Puppies too? Right here, this car?
Kittens, actually.
Oh my God,
Actually,
open,
you know
hurry,
what?
hurry.
It's locked, but the trunk is open.
Oh, great, great. Is there enough room for me in there? How was your day?
Oh, I forgot to put a screw back on the panel.
Oh, that wasn't important, was it?
Oh, wait, I had to replace the screw. I know that's on the list.
Yep, it is on the list. Moment of truth. How well do you know me? What creamer do I grab for my morning coffees? Lots of options.
French vanilla?
Ooh, French vanilla, that's a safe bet.
I got no idea.
Yes, you do. You can do this. Hazelnut is good. But is it the correct one?
No.
Do you give up?
I can't even read what these are. Oh, there we go. Is it this? That's what I'm going for. French vanilla.
French vanilla coffee mate.
Yeah.
You're gonna lock in this answer?
Yeah.
You are correct, but it's not that bottle.
Ugh.
So I just go ahead and get the monster bottle.
Technicality. I've never seen her buy a big bottle.
Yes, you have. It's in the fridge.
I don't believe it. Clearly not. Michael was sweet enough to make dinner. Sorry, it's probably a shorter vlog, but I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.